Omukoro gwo kwiguraho ekibiina kya Lions Club mu district ya Rubirizi gubireho izoba rya nyuma abazio gutandikire na no kubyara ekyapa mu nkombe okubyara emitwe no kutaza zebra crossing mu town ya Nyakashado.
Teleza accident samuhanda kwitogu kandi shabango bakube bakonsete orugudo.
Abaturage behanangirizibwe kurinda ebyo bahangwa na no kwetantara za butando ezikanyereberebi.
Kakariya kabonero karungi ako kurinda ebyo bahangwa. Ako ntetaga ndo nungi kugira ngo tugira amagara mabi. Tetaga kurotekinga ninga kurinda ebyo bahangwa kugira ngo ensi yite gumeho.
Watunga obuyambi bukurabira Lions Club. Bukwateje kandi okirebe nk'ekintu cyo muhendo kandi waba no basa obaganeho na mutayi wawe.
We are united by a common purpose, that is to bring light where there is darkness, hope where there is despair.
Honorable Minister Rafael Magezi obiradiyo mujenyi mukuru ayacirwa mu kitinisa kandi hona araganiso kubarukwisha kugumana bakwateraho Lions Club obutosha.
Fortunate to welcome the minister into Bunyaruguru. You know him as Rafael, but for us we know him as the son of the soil because he's born and raised here and shifted to rule and conquer Bushenyi. Honorable, you welcome.
To our local government, we must value this club in a special way because you are helping us to achieve and do what we are supposed to do. The central objective is to serve.
Lion MJF Benon Katate or District Governor Lions Club of Uganda nagira ngo bariyo nabagezaho okurebeka ngo bagumana bakwatera abantu.
We are doing quite many things and we believe we are adding something to the development of this country. And therefore in that note I want to thank government. We cannot operate in this area in Uganda without government consent and permission.
The project description, the garbage collection unit will be strategically located within Rubirizi Town Council for easy accessibility, including designated areas for waste segregation.
Mukoro nugwe gumwe Honorable Rafael Magezi ashabire kandi yatahibwo mu Lions Club of Rubirizi kandi bahijero kubarukwisha kwindure cyanga cya Rubirizi. Amakuru agagasha kwa Oneneserezo nabo.